Hi, my name is Tuan. I'm an international student. My major is business marketing. Today I'm going to teach you about a macro. So what is macro? Macro is a single instruction that automatically causes a complete series of instructions to be put into effect in order to perform a particular task. It saves you a lot of time, headache when you deal with a big set of data, save a lot of customers' data that you need to reorganize. If you have 10, 100,000 or set of data, you can use macro to reorganize them more efficiently and effectively. Now we have a table of data here. My first task is to create a macro that will copy a table of data by using absolute reference macros, not relative reference macro, to move this data to this area in a single step. So the difference between absolute reference macros and relative reference macro is relative reference macro recorded with actions relative to the initial selected cell. For instance, if you record a macro in cell C1 which move the cursor into cell C3, with this option turned on, turning the result macro in cell C13 will move the cursor to cell C15. With absolute reference macro, when you record a macro in cell C1 and move the cursor into cell C3, running the result macro in cell C13 would move the cursor back to cell C3. Now to do the task, I go to the view ribbon here and open and start record macro here. I put a name here is a copy paste. You can put any name here, and I put a shortcut here. You can choose Shift T and push OK here. Now the macro is start recording. Now I copy this this data by push Ctrl Shift C here and paste it to this area by Ctrl Shift Ctrl V here. Now stop recording. Now whenever I push the Ctrl Shift D, the macro automatically put the data into this from this area to this area. For example, when I delete this data here and then I put the Ctrl Shift D again, the data automatically move from here to here. So this is my first task. In my second task, I'm going to create a macro to shift values in the matrix to opposite circular directions. Shift the characters in the outer circle one cell counterclockwise from here to here, and shift the characters in the inner circle one cell clockwise from this side. And characters in the core matrix do not change position. In this task, I use absolute reference macros function because I do not want macro recorded actions relative to the initial selected cell. Now to do it, I move one character counterclockwise ahead, like I move H to A, O to H, V to O. Now to do it, I open the macro here and I push the name move task and I use the shortcut Ctrl Shift E and push OK. Now the macro is start recording. Now I copy the A out here and copy the H to A, O to H, V to O. A to B, and after completed, I move one. Now I shift the characters in the inner circle one cell clockwise. To complete this task, I use the same method. Use the same method, but in different way. Now I copy it out of the to here and move J to I, K to J, L to K, M to L, and I to P. Now for the true character, I delete it. I go to the home ribbon, go to the delete here, delete cells, and shift cell up. Okay. Now put my cursor here and I go to the view ribbon here and stop recording. Now now for complete the task, I run the macros. I run the macro 3 times. Now I push the Ctrl Shift E the second time. See the third time, it show a code here. Is a good job that you 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 have done the task. So my question for today is, what kind of key opens the door on Thanksgiving? A turkey. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you.